Hello, DJs and music fans. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we showcase the best DJ equipment available today. To find the top DJ controller in 2023, we're exploring the fascinating world of DJ controllers today. Prepare yourself to encounter the ultimate DJ tool, brimming with cutting-edge features, flawless integration, and unmatched performance. Join us as we reveal the leading candidate for the title of Greatest DJ Controller in 2023. A paradigm-shifting device that will elevate your DJing abilities. Let's get started. Number 5. An outstanding solo DJ controller with a number of functions to improve your DJ performances is the Denon DJ SC Live 4. You can access more than 100 million songs from a variety of genres through Amazon Music Unlimited thanks to the relationship between Denon DJ and Amazon Music, giving you a huge selection. This controller's ability to function without a laptop is what makes it unique. Thanks to Engine DJ OS, you can perform expertly without a computer. Simply insert your SD card or 2 USB drives to add your music, then use the 7-inch touchscreen to manage everything. Assuring smooth hardware and software interaction, the SC Live 4 is compatible with Serato DJ Pro and Virtual DJ. The built-in speakers enhance the immersive audio experience and let you take your music with you wherever you go. It is simple to connect to different DJ equipment thanks to the professional connectivity choices, which include microphone ins, XLR and RCA main outs, and a 1x4-inch booth out. The controller also includes thrilling DJ lighting FX, 17 internal FX, and a club-style layout for a better mixing experience. The Denon DJ SC Live 4 is a great option if you're searching for a DJ controller that's versatile and loaded with features. Number 4. A DJ controller with a ton of features, the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX has everything you need to improve your DJing abilities. It smoothly connects with both Mac and PC systems thanks to its built-in 24-bit audio interface and plug-and-play USB connectivity, making it a full Serato DJ system. The enormous 6-inch capacitive touch jog wheels with high-resolution color screens are this controller's most notable feature. These displays give you crucial details like BPM, platter location, remaining time, and pitch adjustment so you can precisely visualize your DJ mix. With 6 enjoyable and quick-launch FX, twin paddle triggers, dedicated instant loop controls, and 8 performance pads per deck for cues, loops, fader cuts, and samples, customizing your DJ set is a breeze. You may access millions of tracks with the Mixtrack Platinum FX's smooth track searching and streaming from top providers like SoundCloud and Tidal just inside Serato DJ Lite. It has a microphone input, headphone output, and RCA output for connecting to DJ speakers in terms of connectivity. A crossfader, channel faders, a 3-band EQ, and filter knobs are all included in the mixer section for fine control. DJs of all skill levels will find the Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX to be a wise choice due to its compatibility and comprehensive feature set. This controller gives you the resources you need to produce outstanding DJ performances, whether you're a novice or a seasoned veteran. Number 3. A versatile standalone DJ controller with many functions for mobile DJs is the Numark Mixstream Pro Plus. It enables you to play and mix wherever you are thanks to built-in speakers, 6-inch jog wheels, and Wi-Fi connectivity. The integration with Beatport Link, BeatSource Link, Tidal, Amazon Music Unlimited, and SoundCloud is one of the most notable features. Without a computer, you may instantly access over 100 million high-quality tracks on the 2 DJ decks. You have a variety of ways to load and mix tracks with the controller because it supports SD cards, USB drives, Dropbox libraries, and streaming applications. A flawless DJing experience is guaranteed by the hardware-to-software interface with Serato DJ and Virtual DJ and the 7-inch touchscreen with customizable brightness. In addition, the Mixstream Pro Plus has onboard speakers with a dedicated volume control and wireless DJ light control that works with Philips Hue, Nanoleaf, and DMX lights. The fully functional mixer has 2 deck volume controls, a crossfader, and a 3-band EQ. You have a variety of connectivity options thanks to the several inputs and outputs, including the USB ports, SD media slot, balanced XLR main outputs, RCA main outputs, and microphone input. The Engine OS features, which include Expressive Touch FX, additional effects, playlist management, enhanced drop sampler capabilities, and remote library control, continue to expand and change the Numark Mixstream Pro Plus. Overall, The Mixstream Pro Plus gives DJs who demand portability, flexibility, and a seamless mixing experience a small and feature-rich DJ controller. Number 2. A professional 2-deck DJ controller made exclusively for Serato DJ Lite and Pro is the Pioneer DDJ Rev 1. It is a favorite among DJs since it has a battle-style structure that keeps everything organized and simple to reach. The DDJ REV1 is distinguished by its larger jog wheels, which enable more accurate scratching. Pioneer DJ improved the controller with larger jog wheels based on user input, enabling turntablists to perform flawless sets down to the last millisecond. Another useful feature is the tracking scratch function, which seamlessly navigates between cue spots by returning to them when the jog wheel is dragged backward. A 1x4-inch unbalanced microphone input on the DDJ REV1 eliminates the need for additional hardware. This guarantees that DJs can effortlessly incorporate a microphone into their performances. Software for Serato DJ Lite and a 14-day trial of Serato DJ Pro are both included with the controller. DJs can do this to fully explore the software's capabilities and make an informed choice before upgrading to the Pro version. Overall, the Pioneer DDJ REV1 is an excellent DJ controller with amazing scratching performance and flawless Serato DJ software integration. This controller gives the tools and performance you need to improve your sets, whether you're a novice or an expert DJ. Number 1. A versatile 2-deck DJ controller. The Pioneer DDJ FLX4 is compatible with a variety of DJ programs, including Rekordbox, Serato DJ Lite, and DJ AY. Through the connection of your PC or Mac to the controller, it offers a smooth DJ setup. When using Rekordbox for iOS or Android, you can connect the controller to your iOS or Android device through Bluetooth or USB connection. The DDJ FLX4's control arrangement was taken directly from professional Pioneer DJ equipment, making it simple to learn and operate. Because of its portability and compact design, it is perfect for training or giving performances while on the road. The Smart Fader feature makes track transitions easier for beginners by automatically adjusting volume, bass volume, and BPM. With the help of the Smart CFX feature, you may thrill your sound by applying a variety of effects with just one knob turn. With the DDJ FLX4, you can access millions of tracks from services like Tidal, Beatport Streaming, BeatSource Streaming, and SoundCloud Go+. It is compatible with a number of streaming services. You may also enhance your favorite tunes and produce a distinctive sound by utilizing the effects and performance capabilities. The DDJ FLX4 can be used to stream live concerts because it has an integrated sound card that allows it to be connected directly to speakers or amplifiers. It is powered by the USB bus, thus there is no need for an additional power supply. Performance pads for hot cues, pad FX, beat leaps, and the sampler are included on the controller. It includes an integrated audio interface that enables direct recording to Rekordbox utilizing a USB connection. It is also class compliant, so no additional audio drivers need to be installed. The Pioneer DDJ FLX4 is an all-around feature-rich DJ controller that provides adaptability, ease, and an intuitive design. This controller offers a stable platform for releasing your creativity and putting on stunning shows, whether you're a novice or seasoned DJ.